have to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 19, clothes we wear. Before starting this chapter, we have to see one video. So look at the video carefully, then I'll ask some questions to you.
The clothes we wear. In this lesson, we will learn about the clothes worn by people from different regions of India, the different clothes worn by men and women in India, the clothes worn on special occasions like festivals and weddings. The clothes we wear. India is a land of variety. This can be seen in its landforms, climate, food, as well as in the clothes that people wear. People dress differently in different regions of India. The clothes that people wear is largely influenced by the climate of the place they live in. The clothes that people wear also changes according to seasons. It is cold in Kashmir and hot in Tamil Nadu throughout the year. So the clothes that people wear in Kashmir are very different from the clothes that people wear in Tamil Nadu. Some clothes are common throughout our country. Saris, salwar kameez, trousers, shirts, kurtas, and pajamas are dresses worn all over the country. However, some clothes are typical to a region. We can often tell which region of a country a person belongs to by looking at the clothes he or she is wearing. What are men wear? Men wear different clothes in different. Hello all, I'm Sandhya, I'm a blogger, and this is Dr. Gandhi. We, the human beings, cover our body with clothes. Clothes protect our body from dust and bad weather. Well-fitting, neat, and comfortable clothes also improve our personality. We wear footwear such as shoes, sandals, and chappals to protect our feet from getting hurt while walking or running. Remember to wear proper fitting footwear, as too tight or too loose footwear can damage our feet or affect our walking style. Need for clothing. Clothes give us protection from heat, cold, strong sun rays, snow, insect bites, and dust. Clean clothes protect us from certain infections as they do not allow the germs to come in contact with our skin. Well-fitting and clean clothes give us a smart appearance. Clothes for every season. Can you think of wearing a thick sweater on a hot summer day or a light cotton shirt on a chilly evening?
So what we have learned from this, in this video we have seen that clothes are very important for us. When we wear the clothes, there should be a very clean one. अगर हम गंदे clothes पहनेंगे तो what happen? The clothes are not harm to our body, or you can say harm for our skin. So in this chapter we all have to study about the clothes. What kind of clothes are wearing in different parts of the country? What are the people wearing there? And what is the best to wear there? Let's suppose if we are living in the hilly areas, so we cannot wear the cotton clothes, so we have to wear the woolen ones. So Let's continue with the chapter. On Sunday, I went to a handloom exhibition with my parents. I saw different types of clothes in many colors, design and patterns. There are lots of colors with different patterns, different colors and different designs. The next day, I asked my teacher how clothes were invented. In the previous chapter, or you can say in 17th chapter, you have learned how the wheels are invented. Okay, but in this chapter, you have to know about how the clothes are invented. Clothes kaise bane the? So the teacher explained this to her that we wear clothes to cover our body. It is not impossible कि आप without clothes you can go outside and you can play outside. So we have to wear the clothes to cover our body, protect ourselves from the changing weather. Let's suppose you people are sitting on the bed and you are not covering yourself. तो क्या आपका माइंड पढ़ाई में लगेगा? नहीं लगेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि your body is want some clothes, want some winter clothes, just because कि आपको सर्दी ना लगे और you can sit comfortably and you can study. Early man cover his body with the animal skin. Earlier, when the clothes are not there, so what they do, they have to cover their body with the animal skins. They have to kill the animal, take out the skin of the animal and cover their body. Simultaneously, they have learned how to make the clothes with the help of leaves, with the help of animal skin, with the help of fur, with the help of bark and leaves of the tree. Gradually, he learned how to make fabric. Fabric means जिस जो वो thread जिससे आपके clothes बनते हैं, ठीक है? जिस चीज से आपके clothes बनते हैं is known as fabric. So gradually what he did, he learned how to make fabric. And he learned how to make fabric. Then with the fabric, he can make easily different clothes. Gradually, he learned to make fabric by weaving and knitting. As you, if you have heard about that, when the Gandhiji was there, he just moved on the charkha and he make the fabric. And with that fabric also, people are used to make different clothes. And the Gandhiji always use that clothes and wear that clothes, and it's known as khadi clothes. Khadi clothes is just made up of that thing. Yes, yes, Apeksha. That, yes, that is not knitting, that is knitting. The K is silent in that word. So the first method in that is weaving. Weaving means it is the process of making a cloth on handlooms or power looms with run on electricity. Handlooms and power looms are the machine on which we can make the cloth. ठीक है? हैंडलूम्स और पावर लूम्स मशीन्स होते हैं जिनके जिन जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से रन करती हैं एंड दैट हेल्प अस टू मेक द clothes. I'll show you the machine of handloom and power loom. Just wait and look on the smart board. See, you can see the machine over there. This one, this is the machine. This is called a handloom. Handloom always Yes, Vitra. Yes, Satya. Handlooms are used earlier because when these types of machines are not there, the people are using to knit the things properly by using the machines which runs on the electricity. And weaving is done by using only two threads. नेक्स्ट इज निटिंग निटिंग जो आप मोस्टली अब यूज करते हो, आपकी मम्मा यूज करती है निटिंग, जो सिलाई करके आपका स्वेटर आपकी मम्मा प्रिपेयर करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड निटिंग. निटिंग इज डन ऑन निटिंग मशीन्स. यस, यूजुअली अभी क्या होता है, बट अर्लियर इट वाज नॉट देयर, जो आपके स्वेटर्स आपकी मम्मा बैठ के बनाती है, वो पहले क्या होता था, इट वाज देयर दैट निटिंग मशीन्स आर देयर, एंड इन दैट द निटिंग इज डन वेरी परफेक्टली. So it can be done using one or more thread. Have you seen your mama when she was knitting the sweater? So what she did, she have to just take the salai and she just your knit up your sweaters. So t-shirts, tracksuit, sweaters, shawls and many other things are knit. बहुत सारी चीजें, आपकी मम्मी ने मफलर भी बनाया होगा, आपकी मम्मी ने स्वेटर, कैप, सॉक्स, बहुत सारी चीजें बनाती होंगी. सो निटिंग इज डन, so many clothes are made up of knitting. At home we use a knitting needles to knit sweater. Knitting needle means, आप क्या बोल सकते हो knitting needles को? What do you think knitting needles? क्या होती है knitting needles? Have you heard about सिलाई? सिलाई देखी है आपने, जिससे मम्मी आपकी स्वेटर बुनती हैं आपके? That is called knitting needles. Yes. So she used to make gloves, she used to make socks, she used to make sweaters, she makes so many things. Now these are the two methods. Now comes the third one, which is coloring the cloth. Coloring the cloth means when we convert one color cloth in the other color. Mostly girls have done this because when they go to the market, they didn't find that matching dupatta with them. So what they do, they purchase some another color dupatta and they dip into the water and they take it out, so it is of different color. So once the cloth is ready, it is dyed by soaked in the color solution. जब एक क्लोथ पूरा प्रॉपर बन के रेडी हो जाता है, देयर इज नो कलर इनसाइड इट, उसके अंदर कोई कलर नहीं होता, इट्स जस्ट अ प्योर व्हाइट कलर. उसके बाद उसको कलर में डिप करने के बाद उसको प्रॉपर एक कलर दिया जाता है. डाइज आर मेड फ्रॉम केमिकल, वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्लावर्स. और ये जो कलर्स होते हैं इन्हें हम डाई बोलते हैं. और डाई से क्या होता है, पीपल किस चीज से बनती है डाई? केमिकल से बनती है. फ्लावर्स और वेजिटेबल्स कलर से बनती है. So we use chemical, vegetable, flowers to dye a cloth. Next is the fabric is done, the coloring is done. Now comes how you can design the cloth. आप cloth को कैसे design कर सकते हो? When we have done the chapter leaf, जब हमने leaf chapter किया था, we put the color on the back side of the leaf and when we we give the impression on a sheet. तो उस क्या हुआ था, जो कलर लीफ का जो पैटर्न था, इट गोज ऑन द पेपर. सिमिलरली जब हमें किसी क्लोथ के ऊपर पैटर्न करना होता है तो हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजों को यूज करते हैं. लेट्स सपोज वी यूज द वुडन ब्रिक्स आल्सो. इस टाइप्स के वुडन ब्रिक्स होते हैं, उन पे पैटर्न्स बना होता है. वी डिप दिस वुडन ब्लॉक इन द कलर और कलर में पुट करने के बाद उसको आप इजीली इम्प्रेस कर सकते हो क्लोथ के ऊपर. So once the color is dyed, different designs and patterns are made on the cloth. First is tie and dye. You have heard, एक प्लेन अगर आप हैंकी लेते हो, उसको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नोट्स उसमें डाल के और कलर में डिप करते हो, तो देयर इज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स आर ऑन इट. उसके ऊपर बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिजाइन्स बन के आते हैं. सो इट इज स्पेशलिटी ऑफ राजस्थान. राजस्थान में बहुत है, वहां पर जो बंदेज का वर्क है वो बहुत चलता है. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टे आते हैं बिकॉज दे यूज टाई एंड डाई. How they use tie and dye? They take a piece of cloth, tie some parts of that cloth, and they present it in the form of a good design. क्योंकि yes, that Jaipur. That's why I'm saying na that in Rajasthan the tie and dye is famous only in Rajasthan, and it is called bandhani. The word is called bandhani. It is done by tying up areas of clothes tightly so that dye does not reach to them. I'll show you, just give me a second. I'll bring one cloth and I'll show you how this is to be done. Just wait. See, I got a stove. Let's suppose this is a piece of cloth which I have to dye. Okay? This cloth is of two color. So what I will do, I take some part of this cloth, I use it like this. I close it like this and put a thread on it. मैं इसको कवर कर दूंगी थ्रेड से. और जहां जहां मुझे डिजाइन नहीं चाहिए, I used to take the little bit and tie it properly. So what happened after tying it? जब मैं इसको tie कर दूंगी, I'll put this in the color solution, and when I take this out, I have to dry this cloth, and when I open the threads, तो जहां जहां पे threads होंगे वहां पर वो color नहीं होगा, so it will comes in a different pattern. So this is the way how the tie and dye follows. The rest of the clothes is then dyed, and after dyeing up, the tied up area is open to get a pattern. Next is how we can, this is a fun time activity. We mix different colors to get a new color. हम कोई भी color कैसे ला सकते हैं? You can see on this page, the fun time activity is given. Okay, I'll give you the solutions of this. First is red and yellow. What do we do? Yes.